In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an n8n workflow. We'll be starting from the ground up, so whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, you'll find this guide easy to follow. So let's dive right in and bring automation to your fingertips. To kick off our workflow, we're going to add a chat trigger node. This node will act as the starting point of our process, listening for the specific chat events you're interested in automating. While we're focusing on a chat trigger for this demonstration, remember that n8n is quite flexible. You're more than welcome to use other triggers to suit your own needs. Once we have our trigger in place, it's time to bring in an AI agent node. This is an essential part of our workflow, as it enables the integration of AI capabilities, which means your workflow can leverage intelligent automation. Now that we have the AI agent node added, we need to configure it properly to make sure everything runs smoothly. Inside the AI agent, you'll want to head over to the Tools section. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find a variety of tools available to power up your workflow. For our specific task today, we'll be using the Perplexity tool. From the list of available options, go ahead and add this tool to your setup. With the Perplexity tool now integrated, our next step is to establish a connection to your Perplexity account. This is crucial for enabling real-time responses and ensuring your automations are executed effectively. If you haven't already, you'll need to create credentials for the Perplexity API in n8n. This involves generating an API key from Perplexity, which you will then paste into n8n. Creating credentials might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's more straightforward than it might seem. In n8n, locate the option to create new credentials specifically for the Perplexity API. Once you're there, paste your generated API key into the designated field. This key is essentially the link that allows data to flow seamlessly between n8n and your Perplexity account. With your credentials set up, it's a good idea to test the connection to make sure everything's in working order. Running a test will help you confirm that n8n can communicate with Perplexity without any hitches. If the test returns a successful connection, you're all set. And there you have it, a simple yet effective n8n workflow, now powered by AI and seamlessly integrated with Perplexity. You can now expand on this foundation, tailoring the workflow to meet your exact needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that you're excited to explore the many possibilities offered by n8n workflows. Be sure to experiment and watch as your productivity climbs to new heights.